Hello, wonderful people. I'm Caitlyn of Busy Beader, and I'm here today at the studio of my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and we're going to talk about the reasons that you should start making jewelry today. Trust me, there are countless reasons, but I've narrowed it down to just some of the best. Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below. Create meaningful gifts. Making jewelry is a great way to give a gift that has meaning. I still remember the look on my grandma's face the first time I gave her a piece of jewelry that I had made especially for her, and there is no better feeling. That's because it's more than just a gift. It's all of the time and the love that I put into making it. This added meaning makes it all the more special and is a great reason to start making jewelry today. This is especially true for personalized jewelry, like this necklace here. That extra touch makes it a completely unique and customized gift for your loved one. Satisfy your creative passion. Crafting is a wonderful way to satisfy your creative thirst. Whether you're making something that you've made many times before or learning a brand new technique, you are flexing your creative muscles. I know for me, my jewelry designs are an opportunity to show off my own unique style, like this pair of flower earrings that I made recently. The process of crafting something from inspiration or from imagination feels amazing and can satisfy that desire that you have to create. Relax and unwind with jewelry making. Creating jewelry is therapeutic and relaxing. Making jewelry of all kinds can be a very calming and peaceful experience. Creative tasks are linked to both dopamine and serotonin in the brain. So when I've had a tough day or just need a break, grabbing some beads and getting to work on something fun and creative can be the self-care that I need. I particularly love the repetition of seed beading, like with these earrings here. With each bead, I can feel my worries slipping away. Experience the joy of creation. Creating jewelry can give you confidence and bring out a sense of accomplishment. Whether my creation has taken weeks or only a few minutes, nothing feels quite like finishing a project. Like with this necklace here. All that work brought out a sense of accomplishment and is worth every effort and can help bring out feelings of self-worth. So if you're craving a little accomplishment, now's the time to start making jewelry. Turn your hobby into profit. Making jewelry can be a great side hustle, but you have to put in the work. Lots of people want to buy jewelry, but they don't want to make it themselves. So creating jewelry can be a great way to make a little extra cash. I've had some friends that with some time and enthusiasm have created a great little side business selling pieces like this. And with perseverance and dedication, maybe one day their business could become their full-time job. These are just some of the many reasons that you should start creating jewelry today. So if you're feeling the pull to create, don't wait. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next one.